Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So we're actually going to be removing the door card on a Subaru BRZ. So it's the same process for a GT86 and FRS. So we're going to lift this all off. Okay, so first step is to get this trim off. So you get your plastic trim removal tool, get it into the gap in between. There's a little bit of black plastic behind this, and flick that out. You've got that loose. Then just pull all the way up. There we go. Okay, so you can see there's some plastic and metal clips here. So you've got that loose and off. So in here there's 1, 2 screws. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver to get those undone. Make sure as you're removing your screws, keep those safe. That's that off. Okay, so just in your door handle here, you just get a flat bladed screwdriver. Pop that little cover off. And it's another Phillips screw. That's that one out. Okay, you can see here we've just got one of these push pins. Let's get a trim clip removal tool. There you go. That's that out. Okay, so you should remove 1, 2, 3 screws. Hot clip at the front, and then I understand this should pop off. Now you might want to use a tool to do that. You have to be quite firm. Just pop those clips off. Lift up. And then what have you got behind? Okay, so we'll just take you in and show you what we've got disconnect behind here. Okay, so first of all, behind here we've got your little puddle light. Let's see. We can get in and just pop that clip off. That's one. Okay, what else we got? Our locking mechanism. Okay, so back here you've just got your controls. So I'll show you once it's disconnected. It's just a block controller there, and you just push on the pin on the top, pull that out, so that's now that disconnected. Finally, we've got our door lock, so we'll take a look at that now. So on the back of the door locks there's 2 Phillips screws. Let's take those off. And that comes away with this bracket. There you can see that's your door handle removed and your door card off. Steps. If you found the video useful, please hit the like button down below and subscribe for future content. Thank you very much, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Threaded bits, and there's actually little holes on the bottom.